Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee and today I will be taking a look at this Tata Nano yellow color. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. So this is a 2011 model. And let me show you the information. So it's a Nano LX 2011 model, petrol, first owner, has done 22,000 kilometers, manual. It's called, the model variant is LX and asking price is 1.10 lakhs. And it comes with fog lamps and body colored bumpers. Side profile of the car. So it comes with steel rims, you can see. Black colored mirrors, body colored handles. So this is the first time actually I'll be doing the test drive of a Nano. Before this I've only seen it in videos. So if you're interested in this car and if you want to see like a Nano, if you want to have a Nano, because it's a very rare car nowadays, if you are looking for a Nano, so you can contact the number in the description. And for now I'm just showing you the exteriors and then we'll be going for the test drive. So this is the complete walk around. It does not look that small also, but the shape is very different. This is how the back seats look, and this one is a rear engine car, so the engine is at the back, and front we have the boot space. And front two windows are power windows, back are manual and non-adjustable headrest here. Back is also almost no headrest, only here. Leg space. Okay, so this seat is completely back and just it is touching. If we move it little bit more forward, then we won't have that much, we'll have little bit more leg space. This is how the dashboard looks from the back seat. Pretty simple, you can see. So let me just zoom in and show you. Simple steering wheel, manual AC. There is no music system on this. This is, I think, 4-speed. Yes, it's 4-speed manual transmission. Slightly dual tone, you can see, black and whitish. And front, those two compartments are for storage. And yeah, it's very different looking car. And yeah, now we'll be going for the test drive. So stay tuned, and if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to turn that like button and share this video with your friends too, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let's get started. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. So as I'm wearing the seat belt, this is how the engine sounds inside the cabin. So I'll just close the window and I'll just show you. Windows closed, idle sound, and if I just give little bit throttle, now you can see the difference here is that because engine is at the back, you can feel the sound is coming from little bit different pace compared to other, like in other cars. And now we'll switch on the AC in one. Oh, one is pretty loud. So one, AC on है कि ये on है? अच्छा. So now AC is also on, and we'll be going now. Clutch is little bit okay. It's slightly spongy kind. So clutch is little bit different. I'm feeling like it's engaging at the end. Is it right or left? Okay, brakes are little bit different. It's not as powerful as other cars. Steering is also little bit tight. but this is a Nano, so it's everything is different in this car compared to other cars, and that is how it was because they were building this car at a price. So this is what I was talking about. These are the like glove box, so both the sides we have, and this is the speaker. Now when you are driving this car, it feels little bit different compared to other cars that you might have driven. The windshield is big, the front glass is also big, but the shape is what makes it little bit different. And one thing is that you'll attract little bit more attention. What I was seeing is that people are looking at me like, which car? Like they know there's something Nano, or if they don't know also this color is yellow. So they're like, whoa, which car is this? Left? Now steering wheel is little bit on the tight side. First gear, full throttle. Oh, okay, we have relief. The car is little bit vibrating at full rev. AC is working pretty fine in this because it's becoming slightly cool only. Second gear is vibrating little, full throttle. Does take time. Well, it's actually sounding a bit harsh. Brakes, if you press more, it does work well, but you have to press a little, put effort. Third gear, second gear. Okay. I feel this car needs clutch change because it is not as smooth action as it should be. Gear is pretty okay, not the most easy shifting, but it does work well. Like it is slotting into gear easily. So now road crossing. First gear, full RPM. Okay, second gear, again full throttle. Sound is little bit more. You can again, we have reached the limiter. Third gear, again full throttle. Handling, it does not feel like we are going very fast. It feels pretty stable only. Third gear, starting little bit, it takes little bit more time. Okay, second gear again, full throttle. And if you would have seen the thing, speedometer is in the center, not here. So if you want to see the speed, speedometer you have to see there. Sound is little bit more only, you can feel it. I'm not sure how was the new car, but this one you can feel at higher RPMs there is sound. At lower RPM there is sound, but not as much. Now turning radius. Now the steering is little bit on the tighter side. Okay, second gear not going. First gear. Okay, first gear goes till 30 kmph. Fourth gear, this is the top gear, and if I go like normally, no too much revving, then this is how the sound of the engine is. There is vibration, I can feel. It's not as smooth as other cars. So if you are interested in this car, this is for 1.1 lakh, And if you are interested, you can contact the number in the description, or I'll leave the number and the address after this test drive gets over, so you can contact them. And it's in Bangalore. And that was my test drive of the Nano. So if you have to share any of your points, you can comment below. And yeah, don't forget to click on the like button, share this video with your friends too, and also subscribe to the channel ATM. So yeah, this was the Nano. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. This is Rishabh Chatti signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. And this is the control for the fog light, I think. Or how is it? Not sure. Pretty good. Does not feel as small as it looks from outside. 4-speed gearbox, power windows in the front. Horn is also pretty decent. So yeah, it does have a different kind of factor. Didn't become that popular, unfortunately. But yeah, if you like want to keep some car that is different, and yeah, this had a like the Lakpati car it is famous for. So if you want to have that car, you can buy this Nano. 2011 model this is. Everything feels pretty okay, not like very cheap or something. Pretty decent for what the price it was offered at. Now currently I'm not sure if it's still available also or not. So I'll just show you the bonnet. So this is the bonnet key, I think. So this is how the car looks. अच्छा हो गया क्या? ये कैसे खोलते हैं? So this is the front space, the spare tire, and the actual engine is at the back. So not anything you can't, the dicky is in the behind only, but the spare tire is here in the front. Okay, fine.